Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to relieve back pain with reflexology. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. There are a few spots on your foot with regards to reflexology that are sort of connected to the various points within your back that will help you to hopefully relieve your back pain, okay? Now, essentially, I'm gonna break it down into your upper back and your lower back. So we're gonna start off with the lower back, okay? It's a little bit easier to work with, and then I'll show you what to do with those areas. But for now, let's look at where are the areas. So for the lower back, we are dealing with the inner edge of the sole of the foot, and it's the same on both feet. So this inner edge right here of the sole of the foot, okay? And essentially all around your heel. So all around the heel over here, it all deals with the lower back. So all of this over here, and then all of the heel over here, okay? And for your upper back, okay, we're dealing with the ball of the sole of your foot over here. So basically, like where all of this meaty section is right over here, that's what we're dealing with. Not the toes, but sort of right below the toes. Not even over here where the toes connect to there. It's more just over here, okay? So now that you know the areas, well, what do you do for reflexology to sort of relieve some of the back pain? Well, essentially, you want to start off by just generally rubbing those areas. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to use my thumb and I'm going to rub down the inner portion of the sole of my foot. I'm going to also rub over here, just like that, okay, just to get some blood flow and circulation going there. And then over here as well, okay? That's just to warm it up, okay? The next thing that you want to do is hold down some pressure on it for like 10 to 20 seconds. So I would take sort of this area of my thumb like this, and I will hold it down like this for 10 to 20 seconds over here, okay? Then over here, I probably take my 4 fingers, and I hold them down like this for 10 to 20 seconds over here. And then same thing over here, I probably get a few fingers from each hand, and then just hold them down like that for 10 to 20 seconds over there, okay? And that will sort of push some blood flow and some pressure to those areas and hopefully get you some really, really good relief of your back pain. And then the last thing that you want to do is just rub them a little bit more intensively than the first time. Now that they're warmed up, you want to get some pressure and rub them for like 30 seconds in each area. Just rub them in each area and try to really get some movement of all of the muscles, the tendons, all of the tissue under there, okay? Just like that. All you need is about 30 seconds of something like this, and essentially what's going to happen is you should start feeling some relief in your lower back and your upper back. I encourage you to do all 3 of those areas. Even if you're only feeling pressure or pain in your lower back or discomfort in your lower back, then I would still suggest doing all 3 areas, or only your upper back. I still suggest doing all the areas because it's all sort of related, okay? And another note, this is just sort of like an at-home remedy. If you are concerned at all, or are uncomfortable, or you're experiencing any sort of discomfort, then go seek help from a medical professional. This is more like you just have a little bit of regular back pain and you sort of want to try and deal with it yourself. You want to experiment with reflexology. Try it out. It really works. You would be surprised at how well it works. It's actually crazy how well it works. But yeah, the relief of pain should be, if you did it properly and if it worked, if your body was receptive to it, it should be nearly immediate. You should feel it within a couple minutes. It doesn't even take long. That's how crazy it is. And that's basically it. That is how to relieve back pain with reflexology, step-by-step tutorial. Once again, it's upper back pain, lower back pain. I've split it up, but I would suggest doing all of it. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Once again, how to relieve back pain with reflexology, both upper back and lower back. A simple, easy step-by-step tutorial that you can follow along with at home with your own foot. And it's the same with both feet. I recommend doing it with both feet, not just one, but I just demonstrated with one just because the camera perspective was a lot better when I only included one foot than when I was trying to include both feet like this. But yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.